8889 PZ Benson Financial LLC, Anthony Wade payee.
Council appearance for the record.
Yeah, Stephen Rodenberg, P56517 on behalf of Benson Financial, and I'm just going to close the door to this room. Hang on.
Okay, thank you. And young man, would you state your name, please? Unmute yourself.
Pardon? Pardon, Judge?
I was asking him to identify himself. Thank you.
And Vaughn Wade Jr.
Okay. Mr. Brumberg, can you please give me a little bit of background on this matter?
Okay, Mr. Wade had a structured settlement, and he's supposed to receive some payments, as structured settlements are, and he'd like to go back to school, I believe. And Anthony, correct me if I'm wrong, if I say anything wrong here. I have talked to him a couple of times, once a couple months, about a month and a half ago, and last time last week. And he doesn't have any dependents. He's got no children. He's not married, and he would like to use the funds for his education. And he realizes that he's going to be taking a discount for receiving those funds now, as opposed to getting it from I think it's Pacific Life in 2 payments in the next few years.
And you, oh goodness, you just lost him. Mr. Wade, hold tight. We'll see you, Mr. Rumberg logs. Here he comes.
Sorry about that. I got knocked offline. I don't know what part of that you heard, Judge.
I'm not sure either. I don't know.
Judge, can I turn the video off? It might improve. It might improve my connection.
Okay, let's try that.
Okay. All right. Anyhow, Mr. Wade had a structured settlement. He was supposed to receive several his funds in a couple of payments. He decided that because he wants to go back to school, that he was now. So instead of getting a lump sum payment due of $30,000 in April 9th of 2029 and another $40,000 payment due on April 9th, 2031, and a third one of $45,241.81 due on April 9th, 2023, he's decided that he would like to receive the funds now in a lump sum and take a bit of a discount on it. So that's basically where we're at now, Judge. And I've talked to him a couple of times about it, and I believe that he's had financial advice on it as well.
Are you prepared to voir dire him?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Mr. Wade, would you raise your right hand? Unmute yourself, sir. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Umberg.
All right, please state your name for the record.
Anthony Damon Wade Jr.
And Mr. Wade, did you have a structured settlement or an annuity?
Yes.
And did you decide to take your payments early?
Yes.
And did you contact Benson Financial?
Yes, sir.
And did you negotiate an agreement with them?
Yes, sir, I did.
And they were going to pay you how much?
$50,000.
Okay, and that was in exchange for those 3 payments that I said earlier?
Yes, sir.
And have you had financial advice from them, or have you had an opportunity to seek financial advice?
Yes, I have, from a family member.
Okay. Did you sign off on receiving professional advice on this?
No, sir, I didn't.
I thought you did. You realize that you're receiving less money today than you would be if you would have gotten the whole thing over time, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you been promised or threatened in any way or anything for this other than the payment that they said? I
No,
couldn't hear you, Mr. Wade.
No, sir.
Okay. Do you have any dependents?
You muted
No, sir.
yourself.
Children, spouse.
No, sir.
And you intend to use this money for your education?
Yes, sir.
No further questions, Judge, unless you have any.
I do. Mr. Wade, why was the structured settlement set up in the first place?
It was from a wrongful passing.
Of whom?
My mother,
Your mother. And how old are you currently?
22.
Okay. And when did you first receive payments from the structured settlement?
Last year around September,
Okay. And how much did you receive at that time?
$50,000.
And what did you do with that $50,000?
I tried to invest in a company out in Pennsylvania and it didn't work out. I got scammed.
Other than these funds that you're looking to transfer at this time, will you be entitled to any additional funds?
No, ma'am.
Where are you planning on going to school?
Job Corps.
Pardon me?
Job Corps.
You don't need to pay for it. Why do you need $50,000? I used to do juvenile work and I know how Job Corps doesn't cost. Why do you need $50,000? They pay for your housing, they pay you. So why do you need $50,000? Because I'm not convinced. Why do you need $50,000?
And also I wanted to put a down payment on the house and buy a car.
You should have done that with your first 50.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Who did you seek advice from?
My auntie.
And what did your aunt share with you? What did she tell you?
Okay, what did she exactly say? She said that there's better places out there for me to go than the Job Corps.
Well, you know what? I'm not doing this right now. You need to figure out where you're going. And I want you to produce to Mr. Rodenberg the curriculum, the cost, and whatever it is. If it's Job Corps, it's Job Corps. If it's somewhere else, somewhere else. I'm not inclined to give you another $50,000 for you to blow since you couldn't maintain that first. Your mother has passed, and these were supposed to benefit you, and you've blown the first 50. So at this point in time, I'm not giving it to you. I will put this over probably a month. You need to come back here with a concise plan of exactly what your plans are to do with this money, and then I will reconsider it. So you need to get to Mr. Rodenberg, and Mr. Rodenberg will get the information to me in terms of education, where, when, how, why, and for what purpose. So, Mr. Rodenberg, we're going to put this over. Ms. Clifton, can I have a date, please?
September
Hang on, Judge,
20, September 29th at 2 p.m.
hang on one second, Judge. There's stuff, at 2 p.m. I'm looking at the wrong month. September 29th, that's a Monday at 2 p.m. You got it.
And Mr. Rodenberg, as I indicated, Mr. Wade must get you the appropriate information, and you have to get it to Mr. Rodenberg at least a week in advance so that he can get it to me before then.
Yes,
How would
ma'am.
you like it sent to you, Judge? Email or?
Yes, you can email, have your office contact Ms. Clifton, and she'll provide you with the proper channels to email it.
Okay, well, I am my office, so she'll be
Okay,
hearing from me.
okay,
Not a
office.
problem.
So then you need to make sure that it gets to Ms. Clifton. Okay, thank you. We'll see you all both on the 29th at 2
Okay,
p.m. Thank you very much.
okay, thank you.
You're
I'll
welcome.
call you in a few minutes, Anthony.